Welcome to this quick demo of PartnerTap. In the next 3 minutes, you will get a high-level overview of the PartnerTap co-selling platform and see it in action in the product. Here's the high-level context to understand what you will see. First, our ecosystem platform is where you first add your customer, prospect, and sales data, and then bring in your partner data. PartnerTap automatically maps all this data and gives you the reports you need to zero in on the highest value accounts where your sales teams and partners should focus. This eliminates the need for PAMs and sales reps to manually map accounts and instantly identifies the white space for sales campaigns. Once you zero in on the specific accounts you want to action, you use our co-sell automation product to run data-driven co-sell plays, through-channel sales plays, and direct sales plays to activate your teams on the best expansion and new logo business to go after. This process eliminates all the work currently done offline in spreadsheets and one-off emails. Our solution is designed to work with all types of partners. This includes your alliance and technology partners that your direct sales reps already try to sell with today. This also includes cloud marketplace partners, resellers, and distributors that your prospects and customers may want to buy from. All this valuable data that you collect in PartnerTap can then be instantly pushed back into your CRM where your sales reps already work, so that making it easy for them to engage with partners that already have relationships on their accounts. With that, let's jump into the product so you can see it in action. Your administrator will use the data manager down here to sync data from your CRM or upload your base data from a CSV file. Your partner teams will use the main area of the product up here. From the partners area, they can upload a spreadsheet whenever they receive a spreadsheet from partners. And at this point, all the customer and prospect accounts will be instantly mapped against your data, eliminating the manual work that teams do today. They can also invite partners to connect directly through our platform for criteria-based data sharing in a digital clean room. Once you've uploaded your partner spreadsheet or connected with them directly, you can see a high-level account overlap with this partner. No detailed data is shared until you set up your criteria-based sharing rules. Once that's done, you can see all the matched accounts with your data and your partner's data combined. The blue-gray columns here are your data, and the green columns is the data shared to you by this partner. You can move columns around, add filters based on any criteria in your data, and even sort columns, in this case, to see all of the accounts that are existing customers of this prospect. We have 20 out-of-the-box reports that give you visibility to data you can't get in your CRM, like all mutual customers with a partner or all hot prospects. Hot prospects are your target prospects that are existing customers of this partner. Now, once you have your map data, you can use our reports to zero in on the exact accounts that are most valuable for your sales teams and partners. In this case, I'm going to narrow it down to all accounts that have one of our first two products and only SMB companies. Now that I've zeroed down our mutual customers with this partner to the highest value accounts we want to action, I'm going to save this as a co-sell action list. From here, now I'm in the co-sell engine. From here, you can select your action list down here at the bottom, and then choose the co-sell automation steps you'd like to take next. PartnerTap automates what partner teams do manually today. This includes distributing high-value target accounts to your internal AEs using a direct sales play. This includes focusing reseller reps on the specific accounts that have shown interest in your product with a through channel play, or using a co-sell play to introduce and connect your sales reps with their counterparts at this partner so that they can engage in a pre-opportunity conversation and brainstorm how to cross-sell into this account. We track every step of the process and make it easy to see how every AE and partner rep respond, exactly when they are introduced, and monitor for new opportunities created at these accounts after they were connected. Finally, every time you map data with a partner, you build up a multi-partner view of your customers and prospects. Our ecosystem overlap report gives you an easy way to quickly see where multiple partners, check this part out, where multiple partners are involved in a target account so that you can go design multi-partner go-to-market strategies and sales plays. Thank you for watching.